In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods on Windows 10. If your mods are stuck in the queue, never start, or seem to vanish after subscribing, follow along and we'll walk through reliable fixes inside the Steam client. First, open Steam. We'll start by refreshing how Steam manages your downloads. At the top left, click the Steam menu, then go to Settings, Downloads, and choose Clear Download Cache. This forces Steam to re-index files and can resolve stuck or invisible downloads. When you confirm, Steam will restart and you'll need to sign back in. So have your login details ready. Once you are back in, check if Workshop items begin to download. Next, while you are still in Settings under Downloads, change your download region to a different nearby location. Sometimes, a specific server has issues, and switching regions routes you to a healthier mirror. Pick a region, geographically close but not identical to your current one. Click OK, and give Steam a moment to adjust. You can try more than one region if needed. Go to Settings, then Interface. And look for Client Beta Participation. In the drop-down, select No Beta Chosen. Opting out of beta builds helps avoid glitches specific to test versions of the client. If Steam prompts you to restart, accept it so the change takes effect. If your mods still aren't downloading, re-trigger the download from the workshop. Open the workshop page for the mod you are trying to get. Click Unsubscribe, wait a couple of seconds, and then click Subscribe again. This forces Steam to queue the item as a fresh download. Keep the Downloads section open in Steam so you can watch its progress. It's also smart to check the game's installation for any corrupted or missing files that could block Workshop content from applying. In your library, right-click the game, choose Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This scan may take a few minutes and might download small replacements if anything is out of place. When it's done, relaunch Steam and the game to test mods again. Finally, make sure the drive where Steam installs your game has enough free space. Steam needs room not only for the mod itself but also for temporary files during extraction. Aim to have several gigabytes free. If space is low, clear out unneeded files or move large items to another drive. Then retry the download. That's it. Thanks for watching.